In this lesson, you're going to learn about the find and replace format options in Microsoft Excel. In earlier lessons, we talked about the find and replace feature, but that one we used to find cell contents. We did not use to find cell formats. In this lesson, you're going to learn about how to find cell formats and how to replace them. So what you simply need to do is open your Excel worksheet, then go to the Home tab and go to the Find and select. Then click Find. Okay. Then click Options. Then this File and Replace option dialog box will come up. So let's say, for example, in this workbook I wish to find all documents that are bold. I simply need to click on Format, then Font, then I want to find all occurrences of the bold. Then I click OK. Then once I click Find Next, Excel is going to highlight me the cell that contains the content that is bold. I click again. Another one, I've already seen another one which is bold. But if I want to find all occurrences of bold, I can select, instead of one sheet, I select Workbook. So it will search among January, February and March worksheets. Then select Find All. And because it has found all, I simply need to drag down this one, and Excel will display for me all occurrences in the workbook for all words or all cells that contain the bold iteration. Okay. So if I want to select to find another format, first I need to simply go and click Format, then click on Clear Find Format. Because if I do not do that, the Find and Replace dialog box is still going to retain the search bold. So once that one is done, I can go to Replace. Close this one. Let's open it again. Let's do Replace. And in this option, we want to replace particular formats. Okay. So we can select Format, click Format. Then in this option, we want to select the fill. We want to replace this word, which is brown. Click OK. And we want to replace with click Format. Let's say we want to replace with yellow. Then click OK. So what I've already done is I've told Excel I want to replace. It will find any occurrence of the brown format and replace with the yellow format. Once I click Find Next, Excel seems not to be finding that color. Let's change the format into another brown. Let's click the first one. Let's click Find Next. So Excel could not find this particular type of color. Let's select another option. Let's change, instead of finding colors, let's say we want to replace with a particular fonts. Let's say we want to select all occurrences of bold. We replace all occurrences. First we need to clear. Sorry, I made a mistake. First we need to clear that one, and also need to clear the second one. Then I need to select the new format option. We want to find all occurrences of bold and replace with format bold italic. Okay. Then click OK. So what I've told Excel is find all occurrences of any format that is bold and replace with formats of all bold italics. So once I click Find Next, Excel has found all occurrences of all letters with the bold iteration. So let's start replace. Let's start replacing one by one. If you click Replace, we can see that Excel goes through each and every letter that is bold and turns it into bold italic. So once I click replace, it starts replacing each and every word. But if I want it to replace each and every worksheet with every occurrence of bold with bold italic, I make sure that it searches within the whole workbook. Then I just click replace all, and Excel will replace all iterations of bold with bold italic. Once you have done that, click on close. And that is how you use the find and replace format functions in Excel to find and replace your particular format within your workbook or worksheet. See you in the next lesson.